Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. Making this a small video to clarify something. I got an email from my subscriber, and it is something that needs to be explained. So I decided to make this small video, and it's a very a good learning as well for the newbies and for experienced people. So let's get started. The question was that how come I posted, actually, let me show you what happened is that I posted a couple of email, no, I mean, sorry, a couple of charts for my trades today on Friday. See, this is the one, this is the first one that when it went there, and you can see these numbers, it is Elliott wave counting, 1, 2, at the end of wave 3. I showed it here, right? And showing that this would be the wave 4 around here, and then it will go for wave 5. And what is the reason behind it? I'll show you in a minute. So what happened, this is the before chart, this is the after chart, right? So we came down nice and clean in this area. This is the area where the fourth wave sometimes finishes, and most of the time, and not in the straight line like that. It's not gonna go up, but fourth wave is a very tricky wave, and then it takes its time and wobble around here and there, and then it goes up, and you have to judge. And there are a couple of factors to take into consideration when this wave 5 is going to start. Volume is the key. But anyway, so this has happened, right? And later, what happened is that I switched, I closed my short, and then you can see here the wave 4. First, I took a long here, right, of this setup. It went up a little bit. I moved my break SL, probably like maybe 5-6 pip loss I took when it came down again on me, and then again it gave me a nice setup right here. I forgot to mark the yellow here at that time, and then here I opened another one, okay, and then this one went all the way up, and well, of course it was Friday late, and then this is what happens. Even if it has to go over there, but it because of the Friday it died out, and not know if Monday it's gonna continue follow through or not. But this is what happened. Okay, so the question was in the email that how come I went short and then long, and one of them has to be counter trend. Okay, yes, I usually teaches everyone that stay with the trend and take only in the direction of the trend using the IB system alone. When you're taking the IB system alone, if you're using the IB system alone and then taking the entries, for example, long only, so you would take long here, you would take long here when these indicate, right? And then you will take long here, which I did as well, and it knocked me out here, right, for a few pips, but you've made a lot here, and you have made a lot here, and then you made 50-60 pips right here in the little spot here, right? So this is one thing. But why did I go short? Is because of this whole thing. It's like Elliott wave counting. This is like a second step of expertise. If you learn basic is like stay with the trend, use the system, and then just go with that with the levels, these levels, right? Then second and third, you learn a little bit of harmonic patterns, and then Elliott wave, and then you can play around with this, long, short, and all that based on the specific calculation. So, like I said, that I'm going to show you what it is. Let me see if I have the chart open. For example, here. Okay. And also, if I have it open here, let me go back. Let's say, okay, this was a short, right? Now, so when I went short, first step is, let me show you step by step here. This is the Elliott wave, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are sub waves, small waves, and 1, 3, and 5 has 5 waves in it, and 2 and 4 is like 3-wave correction, right? So once you get the 5 waves, and then ABC correction comes in, and after that, this wave wave 1 comes in after when the price comes and hit a hard support and then bounce. So it makes a little bit of higher high, the last high right here, right? So it goes and make a higher high, and then comes around 61 or 78%, and then start going up. So it's confirmed at that point that is wave 1 and 2, and you can get in from here for wave 3, which is most powerful and momentous of all. And then this is the area for wave 4 and then wave 5. But how come, how it happens? In a channel, within a channel, let's take a look. So this is wave 1, 5 small waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then ABC correction, right? Then it's small wave 1, 2, and then goes with 3 and 4, 5. That would be wave 3. So what you do is that for the target for wave 3, usually you collect the bottom of this, the beginning of the wave 1 and the end of wave 2. You connect and make a teal, and then place a parallel line on the top of the end of wave 1, like this, to get the wave 3 target. Now, wave 3 usually is 1.618 of wave 1, and it breaks out the channel, quite a bit, and goes high. And then if there's, like I said, in the fib 1.618, right? These charts are made like 5-6 years ago. Okay, I didn't make it yesterday. They are all over the place, all over the internet. Internet as well, but in my website, yeah. So this website, this wave 3, all the way up to 1.618. And if there is a level, a strong level, then you consider that as well. Okay. So what happened in this one? Then, when I was going long, for example, here, this was a wave 1, right? Let me show you. I'll do it in, I'll do it in a live chart here. So this was in the beginning, right? This wave 1, 2, and then look here. The price dropped, right? And the last high was this. The wave 1 makes a little higher high and then drop exactly by the book. You see here? Makes a higher high and then come here and then start to go up, right? Very simple. So, but what happened in the channel is this. So you draw wave 1 and 2 and then place a parallel there, and the wave 3 will break it to the upside, and it will go to 1.618, right? Now here the break happened, right? So the first condition fulfilled for wave 3, and then when you place the expansion tool, the 1.618 comes right here. But you can see that this level 4,000 is 140 is right above it. It's very, very big level, very strong level. So that's why it went up to touch that level. Before that, there was a chance that it will drop from 39.29. Okay. Now, did I notify to everyone? Yes. How? Here. You see that these are my tweets. GJ looking shorts under 39.29. Right. That never happened. Then later on in GJ, watch for a drop from 140. 140 means right here. It went up and I made the short, right? So that was the short you can see here. And then later it went down here, and then I for wave 5 I already showed you here, right? Now this one, you see, this is wave 4 going up. This is the entry I made, right? Here's the entry. And it went up a little bit, and I moved my SL a little bit, then it came down and knocked me out. You can see right here. That happens. Then again, and now this is wave 4 finishes. Usually it comes out of the bottom TL of the channel. Let me show you how. See the wave 3? Now watch the wave 4. Wave 4 comes here, right? It's supposed to come here. The wave 4 is ABC correction, just like that. And exactly that's what it did here. A, B, C, but it is outside the channel. But the picture is not showing the channel, right? Watch this one. It comes out a little bit, usually. And then it goes back inside the channel and then go up. And it will end wave 5. So we are here right now after bouncing from wave 5. And you can see here, I took the trade from here and it went up over there. I closed my, because of the Friday. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't close. So it went up there, and then, look, this one, and then a dip a little bit, and then going up again. Isn't it the picture showing? Actually, it's showing 1, 2, 3, 4. So my candles are a little bit different, but we are here, a little dip, and then start to go up. Market closes. So this is the Elliott wave going in the channel. Now, if you learn this, if you understand all of these Elliott wave, and it's not rocket science. It's a little bit understanding. You attend my webinars a few times, and you will understand it. And I give you all these diagrams, pictures. I have hundreds of videos to learn from. All the webinars I do, I record that, and I explain everybody in every webinar. Not every webinar. I mean, I do analysis, then I don't. When I do technical analysis, then I don't do analysis, like daily analysis of the charts. Instead, I just go by and teach, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, time to time, different, whenever the opportunity is. And today there was an opportunity in this that I can explain a little bit of Elliott wave within the channel. That's what I call this. This is what it is. Now we are at the end of wave 5 here, and probably we're going to drop. Why are we going to drop? That's the question. Okay. Now, basic diagram. Okay. Now, another thing, see here, this is how the harmonic patterns and everything comes. This is another version of showing that, this is usually like a Gertley or bad pattern here, and then you go up this wave 1, ABC correction, wave 2, then wave 3, and look, A, B, C. C usually comes a little bit below than A. This is called a flat correction, and that's what we had here. A, B, C, and then, so this is something by the book, very, very solid, and you learn a lot from these things, that how precise, and if you learn, see, I took the short, I took the long, here I didn't take this pair, and my subscribers know that in my last webinar I didn't discuss this one. We're supposed to long pound Aussie, which I did as well, and I'll do the weekly recap, where I'll show all the trades later, all the trades for the week, and Euro Aussie short, Euro pound, Euro Aussie. We're supposed to go to Euro Aussie long as well, but it never started the long move yet. Okay, Euro is getting weaker and weaker, and Aussie hasn't started the move. Okay, Aussie needs to start getting weaker a little bit for a while. So all of that I teach in my webinar. So if you join and you attend my webinars, you will know what I'm talking about. But this is something that I wanted to make a video for my subscriber, and it is a good learning experience. And the reason that I'm making this video as well is because I usually do a webinar on Saturday, but tomorrow I'm very, very busy. So I said, yeah, let me do something for the kids to play around, right? So you guys can just all my subs. I'm gonna send this to my subscriber, and as well as I'll keep it open for the public as well. It's a little bit of learning what the Elliott wave is all about. And once you learn, it becomes very precise, right? And now you see this wave after wave 5. After wave 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will happen is ABC correction. That means this pair will drop, and pound yen only dropped for maybe only for the two reasons, right? Pound getting very weak, or yen will get probably very strong. Now, confirmation for the pound weakness will come from somewhere else as well. It's coming actually. I'm watching it, so I'm gonna give you that trade as well. Watch for that, and remember, my strategy is if then. So if the setup is there, but if the move starts in that direction, then you take it. This is a classic Gertley in place. Gertley pattern. I'm gonna give these patterns a different name. And what I'm thinking is that probably like Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, the soccer players, because I love soccer, and because this guy, he probably owned these pattern or something. He is having problem with me, and keep getting emails from Google. So I'm gonna just name different, because this is market. This is Elliott wave. These are patterns. Just you can give any name and make up with any pattern. Usually I don't trade these patterns when they finish. Everybody knows that I trade usually is from 23% line, this one, and that harmonic pattern study, never talk about that. So this is my own creation. But anyway, so probably this I will say Ronaldo pattern. Okay. Okay. So look, this is the calculation. The harmonic pattern calculation is, let me just quickly show you before I close. I don't want to make a long video, but I always end up making a long video. Wow, good job, Sam. Okay, let me go. You see, if you look at the bullish girdle, where is that? It's a bullish girdle, right? Okay. Yep. Ah, man, it's supposed to get a bearish girdle. Okay, it's probably somewhere here. Yeah, bearish girdle, right? So what happened? XA, this is the move. Then B, 61%. Then it comes down, and usually its C point is in the price bounce from C point. C point is around 23% line of the same fib, and then it goes to 78% and then drop. Okay, watch this pair now. This is X, this is A. Then the first pullback exactly at 61%. Then we came down for point C. This is the fib. Okay, move this fib. Well, okay, we want to keep this fib. Okay, so this point C is 23.6%, and then it is going for touching to 78.6%. Very, very close, right? So when the market opens up, it will touch here and then supposed to drop. Why it will drop? Again, this pair involves pound, and it's on the left hand side. Pound yen, pound is on the left hand side. Pound will get weaker, then this thing will drop. So we have a short setup here confirming that pound probably going to get weaker. Okay, these two pairs are ready to drop because of the pound short setups in pound USD and pound yen. Now, if the 5 waves compute over there, I just showed you, then we're supposed to go down. Pound yen is supposed to go down in ABC correction. This one as well, it's in the correction right now because this is an impulse wave. Okay, this could be, it's like wave 1, 2, and this is wave 3, wave 4, and extended wave 5. And now it's A, this is B, and then we need a wave C here. If you go XA, AB is equal to CD 100%, then how far it's supposed to come down? Watch this. Okay. Here, this is, you call confluence of levels. Now, what is confluence? Let's see the fib all the way top from the bottom to top here. 61% is right here, and AB is equal to CD 100% is coming right around this area. One thing, okay. And how come I don't have levels here? But forget about the levels. But maybe I'll go back and see. Okay, this is 1.23, 23, right? And do we have here? Okay, here we go. This is what? This low is 23.46. So this is the low, would be the target. This low is coming 23. What? The low was 46. Okay, I forgot. Right around here, right? So that low is right around here. 100% is here. 61% is here. So I think very easily we can come down into this area. Okay. So this is a setup here. As long as we don't go above this 78%, and if you notice on the left hand side, what do we have? Exactly at the same area, right? This high. The 78% is 2563, and this is 2568. So this is what we're looking for as a ceiling, and the floor would be 23. From 2563 next week, you have 250 pip drop here in pound USD, maybe more because pound, if gets weaker, this could go all the way to 1.618 to the downside if this is 1 and 2, by the way, just like we just saw over there. Okay, so in that case, 1.618 is 100 right here, right? See, so this is 88%. Exactly, this is 1.618. So it could come down all the way down here, 2172, 2172, 2172. Any number here? 2172. Yeah, 20. 21.72. This low is 21.08. Okay, these are this is the 23.01. That's where we bounce exactly, right? We just saw. So maybe this is the one we're gonna come down, 21 or 2082, something like that, right? Now you can see the pound USD, big drop, sideways channel, gonna go drop. Big drop will happen again. This is my chart, longer term chart is this. Okay, A, B, C, 100%. A, B is equal to C, D. This is the channel that we on a daily chart. You saw the channel. This is a small ranging here. That's what's happening. Okay, so hopefully, if we stay below 27.96, you see this is small ranging here, right? Sideways movement, and then it breaks to the upside, goes up there. Here, sideways movement, breaks to the downside, come down here. You see here. Okay. Then now, what you have here is this. Okay. What happened here will happen here. Ready for that? Okay, so this is what I just wanted to show. Elliott Wave magic. If you learn, this is what it is. And if you like what you see, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn this IB system, entries, exact, perfect, good system, because if like my SL was hit, I just told you, right? When the setup is there and you make an entry, usually it goes in your favor, 15-20 pips. First SL is always 25 pip. When you make an entry after the setup, it's 25 pips from 20-minute chart, right? If it goes 20-25 pips in your favor, at least you go halfway up. So what you have from 25 pip, maybe 10-12 pip. If it comes down and hits you, you lose 10 pip. Fine, thank you very much. But then next setup comes and then it gives you 100 pip, 120, 150 pip, easy. Right? That's what happens. Okay. So and then very precise entry. And by the way, it's right now the subscription is only $50 a month. And even if you trade one mini lot, for example, in my last webinar, I specifically told everyone that pound Oz is gonna go up and trade to the long side. So just wanted to show that if you just follow my, I'll do a recap video later, but I'm just gonna show you this. It's only on Friday. Forget about everything else. Pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. This Friday, 31st entry, beautiful entry here. Buy the book above the wave, 100 pip. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. 100 pip, 1 mini lot is $100. Can you do this one trade in a whole month and cover your subscription? Usually you get every day, you get 50 pip, 100 pip trade between 5-6 pairs that I follow and show. I have beautiful trades, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Pound USD, all week long. So anyway, it's only $50 a month, and I think probably I've been talking about raising the price, right, in last few, but finally I decided to go for from $50 to $77 a month, maybe around 8 or 10 of April, or maybe 5th or somewhere, from 5 from 5 to 10. I'll do that because I need to fix the website a little bit. And then, the price will be $77 a month, and probably April 15th or 20th, it will be $97 a month. So if you subscribe now, you stay whatever it is. If you subscribe for the $50 a month, if you want to stay for 2 years, 3 or 4 years, 5 years, it will stay like that. If you can cancel it and then come back, then you come back with a new price. So this is it for now. I hope you understand, how this Elliott Wave works. It's not that easy. My old folks, old subscribers, they do understand perfectly. I guess they will like it, and it's a good training, good remember, and like a revision, you can say. Time to time you need that because forex market, it takes away your mind somewhere else very easily, and you forget things. So study is always a study, is a good thing. Always do some study. That's why I have all the webinars recorded, and it is for the newcomer. You can just sit down and watch and learn a lot. Okay. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like it, go on my website and subscribe and be a part of it. I gave you one setup, pound, well, two actually, pound yen. I showed you what's going to happen, pound USD as well, and others are also. I have a setup everywhere. Also, a lot of charts. Anyway, so this is it for now. Have a great weekend, and see you guys on. I'll do a webinar on Sunday morning. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.